Before you send your Android device for repair, you need to do this. So if you've ever taken your device to a repair shop, you may have worried about your personal photos, messages, or app being on the phone. Repair mode was designed to solve exactly that problem. So let's understand how it works and why it's important. First, we need to talk about what is repair mode. Repair mode is a special privacy feature available in some Android phones. It allows you to send your phone to repair while keeping your personal data safe and hidden. When repair mode is activated, the technician can test the phone's hardware and basic functions, but they can't access your private data. That means your photos, your messages, contacts, apps, and file remain locked and invisible while the phone is being repaired. Now let's look how it is actually turned on. When you enable your repair mode, your phone temporarily creates a separate system environment. In this environment, the phone behaves like a fresh device with limited access. Only basic system apps are visible and all personal data is hidden. Think of it like a guest mode. So, in some devices, you may not have this option, but if you have this option, just simply go and turn it on before giving your phone to repair. So, open up your settings and then go with search and search for either repair mode or maintenance mode, or you may also have an option of second space. Just simply tap on it and then you can turn on the second space. You can set a designated screen lock for your second space and separate and secure your data. Go with turn on, which will be on the bottom, and use it. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.